Golly. Hey y'all, it's Raegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that red button down below and subscribe. Join the family. Y'all know what to do. Some of y'all know that I have been on a backpacking trip through Europe for 2 months, and I've only been back in for 5 days so far. And I took a little break from vlogging because I vlogged every day of the entire trip, and so right now I was just trying to relax, but I'm finally feeling like vlogging again, and I want to make some videos for you guys for the summer. And so today, we're going to be doing a day of my life, kind of getting back into routine, getting organized, because if y'all could see my floor right now, it is a hot mess because I have not unpacked yet. Ooh, I also need to edit my last vlog for the trip, and I just have a good bit of stuff to do. I already woke up and brushed my teeth and worked out for the day. It's about 8:30 now. I'm about to do my skincare, and then I'm going to go downstairs and make a cup of coffee and make my to-do list for the day. But before we do that, I'm going to show you my floor to show you what we're dealing with, because it's pretty crazy. Yeah, this suitcase and that suitcase. And then this right here is a big giant mess. Ugh. This is also a big giant mess. So I'm going to have to clean that as well. So just add it to the list, you know. First things first, I am going to clean my face. I recently got this brush, and it is seriously amazing. It's like a little Clarisonic, but it's actually from the brand Duvolle, and it is the Radiance Spin Care System. And it comes with a bunch of brushes. Like, look at this, guys. It comes with this big body brush. This is the cleansing brush, and then that is a pumic stone. Pretty sure like for exfoliating. And the one I have on this nail is the exfoliating brush head. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a really good coupon code that I will have right here and also linked down below, because you should go get this, because it's like already made such a difference in my skin from like being on the trip and like breaking out because I was just not cleaning my face good. This has already made such a big difference, and my skin is so much softer and my complexion so much better. So like, get y'all a little skincare brush because it's amazing. Okay, so I made me a cup of coffee and I'm sitting here at the table. I'm about to drink this, and I'm going to make a to-do list for the day because I do have a lot of things that I want to get done. I'm not going to eat breakfast yet because I'm not really hungry. That tends to happen to me if I work out. I just don't have an appetite right afterwards. So I'll probably eat in a little while, but for now, I'm going to write down some things to do for the day so I can be productive. I am also making a grocery list because I do want to start eating healthy again and lose some of the weight that I gained on this trip eating Nutella and granola bars. So I'm going to pick up some chicken, some avocados, spinach, some sliced turkey, bananas, Smart Pop popcorn like the white cheddar one, peaches, salsa, and some bread. And I might add a few things to this. Then I also need some toiletries. But I think in a little while I'm going to head to Walmart to pick up these groceries and some toiletry items I need. And then I'm also gonna run by the bank and make a deposit. I may come back and lay out a little bit because it looks really nice. So I'm gonna go get all my things done. And then I gotta clean my room because it's bad. So I'm on the way to a Walmart now. If you know where I live, then you know that it's about a 15-minute drive from me. So I'm on the way there now. Then I also might stop by a local produce market and see if they have like some local fresh fruit and veggies. We'll see. I'm like stopped at a stop sign right now, and I'm hoping I'm not holding anyone up. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me and bring you along with some of my errands. My camera's about to die because I forgot to charge it, so we'll see how long it makes it before I get back home. But it's 10:46 a.m. right now, so hopefully I'll be back by around 12, and I can either clean my room or lay out, depending on what I'm feeling like. I just passed by the fruit stand and it didn't look like they had much. So I'm just gonna go ahead to the bank and then to Walmart, and we'll get all the produce at Walmart. I really want some good fruit and veggies, so I'm hoping Walmart has some good stuff. I am driving through Lake City right now, and it's seriously such a cute little town. I mean, of course it's not New York City, you know. It ain't my baby. But it's cute. It's way cuter than the little town I live in. It's like a town 15 minutes away from where I live. Let's go deposit this money, baby. Just pump some gas because I'm an independent woman and I can do it all on my own, and I don't need no man. So I haven't talked to y'all in like 2 hours. I got to Walmart and my camera died, so I filmed all that footage on my phone. Then I came home, took my battery on charge, and then I went and laid out for a little while. I am wearing a top. I'm not naked, but it was good, and I think I got a little bit of a tan line. Now I'm about to take a shower because I got in the pool, and then we're gonna clean my room because it's still really dirty, and it stresses me out to even look at it. Oh, but I'll show y'all what I got from Walmart, just like kind of toiletry items. So I got a back scratcher because I want to be able to exfoliate my back. Sometimes I break out on my back because of the conditioner and stuff that I let sit in my hair while I'm in the shower, and I feel like it clogs my pores. So I got a back washer. Weird, I know. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Then I also love clipping my hair up, so I got a pack of 3 hair clips. It's just nice to get out of your face, but without pulling it up in a ponytail and having it like crinkle up your hair. Then I got some new razor blades for my favorite razor. I use a man's razor. Got my favorite type of gum, like a really big pack of it because I love gum. Then I got some shaving cream. I got this really weird brand, but I like shaving cream to be more like lotion consistency and less foamy gel consistency. So this Cremo Astonishing Superior Moisturizing Formula Concentrated Shave Cream and the coconut mango scent looked really good, and like it would be more like lotion. So I'm going to try that out. I got some toothpaste, Optic White, High Impact White. You know, got to have that whitening toothpaste. I restocked up on my favorite concealer ever. It is the Maybelline Fit Me. And then I also got another shade. This one is light, and this one is ivory. Then I got my favorite mascara, the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal. It's amazing. I got an eyebrow pencil because CoverGirl has a really good eyebrow pencil, and I got it in the color Soft Brown. And last thing is some deodorant. So I just finished cleaning my room. Hallelujah. I am so glad that it is cleaned. I don't know, I just feel so good when like I feel like my life is organized and my room is clean, and it's just like my little sanctuary, my little like safe place, and it doesn't stress me out. A lot of clutter stresses me out. So now that it's clean, I just feel so much better. But I ordered a few things while I was on my trip in Europe, and it took this long for them to come in. It's been like a week and a half. But I got some things and I want to share them with you. So the first thing I got is from the brand Mary. I think that's how you say it. And I found this brand on Instagram. It popped up as one of those sponsored posts that you see. And they claimed to be the first company to ever start the whole woven bag trend. And apparently they have people who make it in like third world countries. So it's giving people a way to make a living in third world countries, and I thought that was really awesome. So I bought a bag. I've been wanting one for so long. Y'all, look how cute it is. It has a little leather strap, and then it like buttons right here, and then it opens just like a little bit, and then it has such a pretty lining right here. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I think it's so like cute and summery. Then I just threw these in here earlier. That's my other thing I got, but I just threw them in there because I was carrying them up upstairs. But yeah, I think this is so cute, and it will look so good with any outfit and just like make every outfit look so summery. I even think I could pull this off in New York. I mean, I'm definitely going to be wearing it in New York. It's just such a trend, and I think they're so cute. Yeah, definitely check out this brand. I'll have it linked down below. I got it for like 40% off around 4th of July sale, but they're like always having sales, so you should check it out. And then I got some jewelry. I've been really into a little dainty jewelry lately. I mean, that's kind of been a thing for a while, but I found this brand on Etsy, and I thought they were just so cute, so I bought a bunch of things. It is the brand Trium Jewelry. It's from Barcelona. It comes from Barcelona. That's why it took so long to come in. And I actually got jewelry while I was in Barcelona, Spain, and I still have it and I love it, and I don't know why, I just felt like buying some more. But I'll have this store linked down below on Etsy because it's really cute and you should check it out. So the first thing I got is this ring. You can't really see it. It comes in each individual little packaging, and it's so cute, and it just has a little stone on it, and it is so pretty. I feel like if I wore it on my ring finger, it would look like I was married, you know. And then I got another ring. This one is a midi ring, so it goes on just like this. Like this. Please ignore my fingernails. I need to get them done. OMG. Don't look at them. Okay. But I got this little midi ring. I really like midi rings, but I always have a hard time finding them that actually fit my right finger. I feel like sometimes they're way too small and they don't fit. I have really fat fingers. I wear like a 9. My middle finger is like a 9. Like, that's like crazy. Some more things. I got another ring. This one is a cute, dainty little pearl ring. I've always wanted a pearl ring, but I feel like sometimes they're a little too bougie for me. So I got this one, and it is so cute and just dainty and has a little tiny pearl on it. And I thought it would look so cute layered with this one. Let me put it on and show you what I was thinking. Thought it would look so cute layered like this, and just wear them on the same finger, because I actually wear pearls a lot. Like, I have pearls in my ears, and so I actually like mixing little like rhinestones and pearls together. Then I got some earrings. This is a little cuff. I've always wanted a cuff. I would never get it pierced, like my cartilage pierced, kind of because I'm afraid. So I got this little cuff. Let me see if you can see it. And it is so cute, like paired with the other earrings I got. And then, you know, if you watch my videos, my Switzerland video, you know I got another piercing. I got my second hole done. So I had my third one done over here, but I skipped a gap between the two, and then I got both of my doubles done while I was in Switzerland, and that was really fun. I got 2 more pairs of earrings, and these are so cute. So my idea behind these are that they will go in my second hole, and they are these little rhinestone hoops, but they're like so dainty. Oh my gosh, I'm about to drop them everywhere because I just lotioned up my hands, and so I'm really slippery. And they're just these cute little dainty hoops, and so I was thinking about putting those in my second hole. And then in my first hole, I am going to put these little hoops. This is probably my favorite thing that I got out of the whole little haul that I got. They are these pearl hoops, and OMG, y'all, they are so cute. Look at these. OMG, I just think they're going to be so cute in this hole, and then in my very first holes, and then the little rhinestone ones in the next one, and then my cuff up here on this ear where I don't have a third piercing, and then my little tiny pearl over here in my third hole. Y'all, I just think that's going to be a look. I think it's going to be a look. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm really pumped about this jewelry. It wasn't too expensive. I got all these pieces probably for around like $100. So I was very happy with that. Nice jewelry is usually really hard to find. And I will definitely be ordering from this store on Etsy again because I was very pleased with it. It is, again, Trium Jewelry. Trium Jewelry. Okay, so that is everything for my little baby haul. And now I don't know what I'm going to do because my room's cleaned. Wait, actually, I'm going to paint my nails this really disgusting nail polish that makes me not want to put them on my mouth. I like my fingers in my mouth. I like gum in my mouth. I always have to be chewing on something, so if I don't have gum in my mouth, my fingers are in my mouth. So I'm going to paint them. And then after that, I think I'm going to edit my very last vlog from the trip, because I need to get that done and uploaded for you guys. So yes, that's the plan. So, well, let's get to it. This is the nail polish I'm going to use. It's called Golden Rose Nail Expert. I got it off Amazon. Please look how bad it looks outside, y'all. It looks so scary. And it's lightning really bad. Like, it wasn't like this 5 minutes ago. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it looks so bad. I'm actually a little tiny bit scared. I've been sitting editing my video for a while, and then bam, this happens. A perfect way to end the night. Ice cream and an episode of Stranger Things.